So AI companies are getting sued left, right, and center. Every single week, there's another headline because a company got caught stealing data.
Disney and NBC Universal are filing a joint suit against AI company Midjourney, alleging copyright infringement.
Everyone in the creative space right now is freaking out over AI taking editors' jobs and AI replacing creatives, but no one ever asks, where's the data coming from? The data has to come from somewhere, and if you've noticed ChatGPT and certain AI models actually getting dumber lately, that's because they're having to stop stealing the data and start training on basically worse data sets. Right now, there's a race. AI video companies, image generators, even LLMs like ChatGPT are hunting for clean, legit data to train their AI models on. And whoever wins that race is literally going to control a multi-trillion-dollar industry. But here's the problem. How do you get that data legit? They're not going to go door to door and ask people, yo, can I get some fucking data off of you? No, of course not. Well, that's where Wirestock comes in. They are a 100% free to use platform that basically lets creatives like you and me upload their content and sell it to the AI companies to let them train their AI models on our content. It's pretty much a bridge between creators and AI companies. I don't personally know how to contact AI companies directly and offer to sell them my data, but I'd happily let them use my data to train their models if they paid me a fee. That's basically what Wirestock is doing right now for video editors, for videographers, for creatives in general. Could be photographers, even AI artists themselves. They take care of all the licensing, distribution, all of the boring like back-end legal admin stuff, and all we have to do as creatives is upload our content and we earn a passive check every single time an AI company uses it to train their AI model. And there's 700,000 creatives currently using this platform. They've paid out over $6 million to creators just like you and I for helping to license their content. And they even take all of your content and auto list it on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, all of these stock libraries, and basically earn you a passive check. And there's creatives earning thousands of dollars a month completely passively just by licensing their content to Wirestock. And they currently run these monthly paid projects where they basically pay creatives for video creation, even image generation, image manipulation, illustration, tons of different tasks on here. It's basically under their paid project section. Anyone could apply, and they basically pay you directly for contributing to their AI training database, which means they've built a really unique ecosystem here because the platform is completely free, but ultimately you can go through these paid projects or literally just license your fat library of content you're already sat on and just start to earn a passive check. So if you're a creator and you want to make money from Wirestock, some of it passively, some of it a little bit more actively, you can get a paid budget directly from Wirestock who give you a brief and you can go out there and create content that's used for this AI training. Number two, you can actually take your massive database of content you already sat on, whether it be photographs you've taken or videos you've shot, and Wirestock will auto list your entire content catalog to all of the stock marketplaces, Adobe Stock, Shutterstock. So basically in a couple clicks, it will automatically list it to all of these marketplaces and you get a passive check every time it's used and bought directly on these platforms, but you don't actually have to individually list any of it. And they've got creatives earning an extra 5 to 10K every single year, 100% passive behind the scenes. So who is Wirestock like the most useful for? One, if you're a videographer and you have terabytes of footage that's just sat on your drives, taking up space, collecting dust, upload it. If you're a photographer, same story. You've got tons of content, you're sat on it, it's collecting dust, it's doing nothing, it's taking up space in your Google Drive, you know you should have cleaned it ages ago, list it. Even if you're a digital artist or illustrator, which I think is probably a little bit more unique on my channel, but I'm sure there's some, upload your art and you can earn a passive check by training these AI models. There is so much talk constantly about AI replacing creatives, and I run the biggest freelance editor coaching community in the world. This is one of the biggest topics inside is, Jack, am I going to get replaced in the next coming years? Like, should I quit this industry? Like, do I need to go find a real job? No, it won't be AI replacing creatives. It'll be the creatives who adapt the most and know how to use the AI the best and actually get fluent with these AI tools that basically replace the creatives who refuse to adapt. AI itself can't replace creatives. It's not sentient. But creatives who adapt and start to use and profit from AI can replace creatives who choose to be stuck in the old ways. I know which side I'm going to be on. Wirestock is a very cool platform that enables you to profit directly from AI and not get worried that it's going to replace you. The link's down below if you want to try it. I'll see you guys in the next video.